So our tutorial for today is all about the rule 1 of COLREG, which is the preventing of collision at sea. So part A. So as mentioned in our previous vlog, we're going to upload some series that explains the different sections, parts of our COLREG. No? So first and foremost is the rule 1, which is the application for general. So it has 5 paragraphs in rule 1, so we're going to discuss that. So first, rule shall apply into the high seas and in all waters connected therewith, navigational seagoing vessel. If we're going to read all of it, each paragraph is interconnected. So as per rule 1, it was mentioned na high seas, it means the 7 oceans of the world, and also navigable therein by seagoing vessel, which is harbors, river, roadstead, lakes, inland waterways. No? So this rule apply to every body of water as long as there is a seagoing vessel. Okay? For letter B, a summary is special rules set by the different harbors, rivers, roadstead, lake, and inland waterways. For example, you're going to inside the certain harbors and they set rules of their own. So you need to follow their rules at the same time. All rules of the harbor or government as per mentioned by letter C, in line with the different lights, sound signaling, whistle, shall be complied with if ever there are special rules that was set by the government, okay, of your country that you're going with, or by the set harbors, roadstead, lakes, and inland waters. So, para siyang magkakambal yung dalawa. Dito sa sea, ilaw naman to. Ito, mga regulations sa loob ng mga harbors and river. So, susundin mo siya kung may mga special rules. At huwag yung mag-alala, lahat po ng mga special rules dito, nandito yan. No? Malapit po siya lagi sa COLREG as the reference. No? And of course, TSS din po will be adopted in compliance with the different government. And also, if ever there are created by harbors, rivers, may mga TSS po sa loob, i-comply din po natin siya, no? So, sa madaling sabi, Rule 1 really dictates the application of our COLREG in all parts of the world, no? Including po yung mga special rules of harbors, rivers, and water lakes. Okay? So, that's all for Rule 1.